Alright guys, today I wanted to do a quick unboxing and review on my customized wooden plate. If you're a Star Wars fan, or someone in your life is a Star Wars fan, especially like dads with Father's Day coming around, or just maybe Christmas, or just any kind of gift like that, I definitely wanted to show you this one. It is so cool, and I'll go over all the customizations. I just got it in. Let's go ahead and open it up. So they wrap it up really nicely, just so you know it comes in protected. All right, so this is what it looks like. Wow. It is so nice. So this can be changed to, so like I said, it says I am their father, I am their grandfather. And then you get to put the lightsabers here. You get to change the colors on all of these. And then you can add up to 7 on here. So I thought that was really, really neat. So it's got the 3 names of the kids here. So that, I love this so much. It's 11 by 14, just to kind of give you a reference. And it also gives you these little plates, so you can just put it on my desk. So I get to work from home, so I'm actually just gonna set it right here. So let's set it up. And the other cool thing is you can actually hang this up as well. So maybe you could put some of those little sticky tabs back here and then hang this up like so. Because hanging, I think, would look really, really cool too in an office or at your work. But overall, I'm super impressed by how cool this is. Like I said, it's got all their names at the end. Everything's customizable. I'm going to go ahead and put it on this plate here just to kind of see what it looks like. All right, and there it is. He literally gets to be set up with what's already included. I really, really enjoy it. So like I said, if you're looking for some great gifts, like this would make a great Father's Day, Christmas, birthdays, anything like that, any special occasion, or just cuz gifts, this would make a great gift. So like I said, if you're looking for a nice customizable gift for those Star Wars fans, I highly recommend this one. Definitely a 10 out of 10.